Hi, this is Doris. I think some merchant banks, and cell phone companies for that matter, need to earn their business year after year. Most of us would get fired if we didn't consistently deliver and keep our clients happy. I think they should be held to the same standards. One thing that never ceases to amaze me is outrageous termination fees. Termination fees are ridiculous, and companies that enforce them should realize that the customer will never return, ever. Most of the time, they're unwilling to work with the now former client to rid or even reduce the fee, even after years of loyal service. Especially in this economy, a hefty termination fee can be a struggle to pay. Here in the U.S., certain merchant banks create contracts that one would need a magnifying glass to read. Initially, most of these contracts seem to allow the addition of hidden fees and charges once you get on board, and suddenly you've signed up for a service that is constantly changing and not for the better. Occasionally, the consumer receives a contract addendum that has such tiny print, hey, break out that magnifying glass again in order to read it. Forget about understanding it. My guess is some U.S. merchant banks have teams of non-U.S. telephone operators to handle the screaming phone calls they get from angry clients and consumers. However, enough people must be paying for it, otherwise they would stop doing it. I don't believe merchant bankers are stupid, charging fees, and it's a decent strategy at hundreds of dollars an instance. One only needs to add customers, tick them off, and make money on the termination fee. Suggestion to us, the clients, you. Bank local, make local relationships. Look to start using your debit cards and cash basis until the economic climate evens out. Pay for what you can afford now, or wait till you can afford it. These contracts are tricky. Thanks for listening.